It's raining cats and dogs. Imagine if cats and dogs actually fell from the sky instead of raindrops. Wouldn't that be crazy and a little scary? But don't worry, that's not what the saying, "it's raining cats and dogs," really means. When someone says it's raining cats and dogs, it means the rain is coming down really, really hard, like a huge storm. It's a funny way to say the weather is super rainy and maybe even a little bit wild. That's called an idiom. An idiom is a special kind of phrase that doesn't quite mean what the words actually say. It's like a secret code. Think of them as silly sayings adults use to make talking more interesting. Here are some examples. It's raining cats and dogs means it's pouring outside. Spill the beans means to tell a secret. A piece of cake means something is super easy. Idioms are like little puzzles that are fun to solve. And here's a little poem illustrating it's raining cats and dogs. The sky is turning dark and gray, a funny kind of storm today. No drops of water, pitter patter, but something that will make you scatter. It's raining cats, it's raining dogs, with meows and barks and soggy clogs. A tabby lands with quite a thump, a poodle bounces with a bump. A dachshund whimpers with a splash, a bulldog waddles in a dash. They shake and shiver, fur so wet, the strangest rainstorm you'll ever get. The clouds are barking, full of fluff, the wind sounds like a giant ruff. Umbrellas won't do any good, you might get pelted with pet food. But don't you worry, don't you frown, soon the sun will chase this down. The furry rain will disappear, and skies will once again be clear. So if you hear it's cats and dogs, just giggle at the weather's fogs. It's just a saying, make no mistake. The rain is heavy, and that's the take.